In this segment of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So in most cases, when you receive a meeting invite for a Microsoft Teams meeting, the meeting invite will look very similar to this. We receive an email and you can accept the meeting by clicking on the accept here and then send the response now and so on. Once you have accepted the meeting, then you can go to your calendar, go to the meeting details, double click on it, and then join the meeting by clicking on the link as part of the meeting invite. And then from there, you'll click on Open and then join through Microsoft Teams. In other cases, someone may send you the meeting ID, and you may have to join the meeting manually. And you can do that from Microsoft Teams by clicking on Calendar and then clicking on Join with an ID. And then you'll enter the meeting ID and the password and then click on Join. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.